Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you about a common error which is usually faced by Mac owners. If you are reinstalling your Mac OS, then you are most obviously going to face this error at one point of your life. So I thought that I should make a video and help those out who are facing the situation. So common error which is usually displayed is recovery server could not be contacted. Let me just show you. I've taken a screenshot because I'm not reinstalling my Mac OS, so I won't be facing any sort of error. But let me just show you how the error typically looks like. So this is how the error usually looks like if you are trying to reinstall the Mac OS. This will be the error that the recovery server could not be contacted. And I'll tell you the solutions how you can sort this error out or how you can solve it. So the first thing that you need to do, you will be in this mode. This is the safe mode of a MacBook, and whenever you are in this mode, you're going to have your upper panel available. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to check your internet. Make sure you're connected to an internet. If you're already connected to an internet, check its strength or check whether if it's working or not. And if it's not working, then you can change the internet, and then you can open up, click on this reinstall Mac OS, and then you're gonna be okay. You won't get this error when you're connected again on the internet. Sometimes the issue is not of the internet, but from the servers of Apple. So what you need to do, you need to open up your browser from any other laptop or MacBook or phone, and then you are going to go to Apple system status. And once when you open this, Apple is going to tell whether if there is a maintenance issue in any of their servers or if something is not working from the Apple side. But right now you can see that everything is perfect, everything is working. So you can check the system status of Apple as well, because sometimes the issue is not from your internet but from Apple. The final thing that you need to do is you have to fix your date and your time. So in order to fix your date and time, I know that you won't be able to access your desktop, so you can go to settings and just change it from the settings. You will be here on this window. So what you can do is there will always be an option of utilities available that you can use. There will be a top bar of utilities, and when you click utilities, you can access terminal from there. Let me just open up terminal. And once when you open terminal, to fix your date and time in the safe boot zone, what you're going to do is you're going to put this formula. I would recommend that you note down this formula. It's date and you. And after this, you're going to put 2 digits of your month, 2 digits of your day, 2 digits of your hour, 2 digits of your minute, and 2 digits of the year. So let me just do it right here. That is the formula that you need to do. I can't execute this formula because I have my firewalls installed, because I am not in the safe boot zone. But once when you're in the safe boot zone, you will be able to execute this formula because the firewalls will be off. So I hope this video was helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel for more content like that. I'll see you in the next one.